Hello there, a warm welcome to you today. Conny decorates, and of course with heart and with heart in it.
With heart in it, yes, the camera, man.
Exactly. Today, just here with us on the dining table, for the living room table, our plant bowl, here with the homemade wreath, a bit of eucalyptus, a bit of baby's breath added in. But you can also make it fragrant with herbs, for example. Take a look at what you have. But if you want to know how this Easter decoration works, stay tuned, because we're going to show you now. And these are the things we need today for our Easter decoration. And we don't need much at all. In any case, maybe some kind of wreath, not necessarily a straw wreath. Anything you have, maybe from mountain brushwood or an old Christmas wreath that you want to redecorate or spruce up. What I definitely have is a lot of hay still. I would like to incorporate that into the decoration today. And I would also say, let's just get started. What I also have is such a beautiful outdoor bowl. I would also really like to plant and decorate it. And I also have some jute fabric again, a bit of paper, just as filler material. And what I also have, maybe I'll decorate with it, a clothes hanger. But actually I would say, let's just see where the journey takes us, and let's start. Then you simply take the wrapping wire and attach it to the frame, wrapping it around once or twice. Insert it so you don't hurt yourself. And then I come in with my hay. I just place it like this. And wrap the wreath completely with hay again. Just take a bundle of hay, place it, and go around with the wrapping wire. And I do it with hay. It's always like this. I place it once to the right, left, or however I position it.
Love is like a roller coaster, but I'm trying to hold on. I don't want it to stop. Even though we fight sometimes and it feels like a war zone, I still care about us. How do you move on when everything goes wrong? I'm trying to find a way to get you out my head.
So wrapped around once, that went quite quickly. Inserted the wire once. And now I just take a look. This is also a bit new. I place the container here now. And I think it's a beautiful base. And I think it also matches this clay pot again. So I find it very, very beautiful. I leave it standing right there. Then we have that done. And now I will hollow out the pot a bit with paper.
Don't know how to cope with being so broken. Girl, I can't forget about what we said. I just wanna love you.
Then we take our jute fabric again and already place it in here. And then we already have a wonderful base in the pot. I have baby's breath. Baby's breath. And I found the wonderful eucalyptus, and I think that's a great combination now. And I would simply place them here again with some floral pins. This also adds a really nice freshness. And especially this baby's breath has a slightly white-green color. These are colors, white, green, not completely white. I find that perfect, of course, and I'll place them here again like this, pin them down a little bit. The eucalyptus and the green add a special freshness. Just pin small twigs in between and it looks really fantastic. So I really, really like it now. This is already a really beautiful, long-lasting decoration. Also because the eucalyptus dries out wonderfully and the baby's breath does too. I was really excited because I found this net with these great wooden eggs. We actually still have them on Hof, Olkes and Gucke in the online shop. You can actually still buy them there. I think that's really good. I also find the net really beautiful now because I would just add it here again like this. As a decoration, I think it looks really nice with this jute fabric. And these wooden eggs also fit very well, of course. Then this comes here again. Yes, I'll just say color-wise, it fits quite well with it again. I'll just look for places where it fits now. Otherwise, you can also fix it a bit here with hot glue. I still have the daffodils here. I would just place them on top here now. Just remove the large clump of soil quickly. But then it can also stay with soil on top here. Just like that. Simply press it in, like this. I still have a few tulips. I'll just place them in here again. Then I still have the Easter bunny here. Back then I painted the ears a bit in gold. It will also go in there just like the wooden Easter eggs. I would just place them here again, in the gaps. Now I have a few bulbs here, there was still a bit of peel. I would also place a bit of that on top, and I'll just use the bulbs again. Here as a decorative element, and we're done. Quickly, everything is done, and we like it very much. It will definitely go on the table in our living room. And then we will enjoy it. You can also wonderfully add a string of lights, or if you have, it just occurred to me, we also have something like that, Lady Real Wax stick candles that we can insert here at the top. I will definitely try that out. And of course, we really hope that we could inspire you today. Then we would appreciate a thumbs up, and feel free to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, or Instagram. There are always little stories and pictures of newer decorations, because we always get a little preview, so dear ones, feel warmly hugged. We embrace you. Stay healthy. Yours, Conny, and your cameraman. Exactly. Until then, dear ones, goodbye.